Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add a WhatsApp link on Google Form. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Forms and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, you're going to find your recent form. Right here, you're going to find start new form. So you can start a blank form or you can choose from these templates. If you want to expand the templates list, you can click on templates gallery right here, and then you can choose any template that you want to use. So for example, I'm going to choose this template. So once you click here, you're going to need to wait for the template to load, and then this is how it will look like. So basically, guys, all you need to do right now in order to add a WhatsApp group chat link is open WhatsApp. And then once you're here in WhatsApp, go to the group that you want to copy the link from. For example, I'm going to copy the link of this group, click on the group name, and then from here, you're going to find overview, participant, media, file, links, and lastly, encryption. So from here, you're going to find add participants, and under it, you're going to find invite to group via link. Click here, and then as you can see, guys, this is the link for the group chat. Go ahead and copy the link, and then quit WhatsApp and go back to Google Form. And then all you need to do, guys, is paste the link wherever you want. So for example, I'm going to paste it right here. So just paste it like this. And then as you can see, guys, the link is added to Google Forms. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.